Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, survivors. In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Days to Die cross-platform. Good news, the game now officially supports crossplay across PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. This means you can team up with friends regardless of their gaming system. We will walk through the straightforward steps to activate this feature and start your cooperative zombie apocalypse adventure. Get ready to unite with your squad and face the hordes together. To activate crossplay, console players on both Xbox and PlayStation should first navigate to the General Settings menu in the game. From there, simply find the Crossplay Enabled option and switch it to On. For PC players, it is also essential to ensure that Easy Anti-Cheat, or EAC, is enabled. These quick adjustments are vital to ensure your game is ready for cross-platform play with your friends. Before diving in, there are a few important notes about crossplay. Currently, all crossplay sessions are peer-to-peer, meaning one player hosts the game directly, rather than using dedicated servers. The maximum player count for these sessions is 8 players. Also, remember that you cannot host modded worlds. All crossplay games must be completely vanilla. For the smoothest experience, starting a fresh save game is often a good idea. Ready to play? To host a crossplay game, set your session visibility to public and always add a password for privacy. Make sure your player limit is set to 8 or below. Your friends will not find your game if it is set higher. To join a friend's game, simply select Join a Game from the main menu. Then, type in your friend's exact gamer tag in the search box. If a password is required, enter it, and you will be ready to join their world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.